Smart automation, better business. Learn how to optimize your business with Solved.
Hi there, my name is Miles Blake, and I'm a Salesforce consultant working at Solved. Today, I'm addressing an important question. What are the risks associated with AI-assisted coding? While AI-assisted coding tools have significantly transformed software development by streamlining processes and enhancing productivity, they come with certain risks that every business and developer should carefully consider. One major concern is code quality. AI-generated code can be inconsistent, which leads to variations in reliability and potential bugs or hidden errors that might only surface later. This inconsistency can introduce security vulnerabilities that compromise entire applications. Because AI doesn't inherently optimize code for efficiency, performance issues might arise. Ensuring the generated code meets organizational and industry standards is crucial, which underscores the necessity for careful human review and oversight by experienced developers. Another critical risk is over-reliance on AI, which can lead to skill erosion among developers. Heavy dependence on AI tools may reduce hands-on coding skills, impair deeper understanding of core programming principles, and diminish problem-solving abilities. The dependency can stifle innovation and creativity, limiting the unique, human-driven solutions that are often essential in complex scenarios. Therefore, AI should be viewed and utilized as a complement to, not a replacement for, traditional coding expertise. Security questions and implications of AI-assisted coding are significant as well. AI tools may inadvertently generate insecure code patterns, potentially leaving applications vulnerable to cyber threats. These tools lack comprehensive awareness, meaning they don't often align with specific security best practices or compliance requirements. This gap necessitates thorough and meticulous human review to ensure safety and compliance. Moreover, AI-generated code often struggles with understanding intricate business logic and industry-specific requirements. Limited contextual understanding by AI means that there's a real risk of misalignment between the generated solution and the intended software architecture. Developers must regularly intervene to ensure AI-generated solutions correctly align with project goals and business needs. Lastly, ethical concerns around AI-generated content are emerging as critical considerations. AI algorithms aren't transparent or accountable for errors, potentially leading to code that inadvertently perpetuates biases, stereotypes, or inaccuracies. Additionally, unresolved legal issues related to the ownership and copyright of AI-generated content pose further risks. In conclusion, while AI-assisted coding presents significant opportunities, it also brings notable risks related to code quality, security vulnerabilities, skill erosion, alignment with business logic, and ethical concerns. The optimal approach involves leveraging AI as a powerful assistant, supplemented by human expertise to ensure safety, compliance, innovation, and reliability. Thanks so much for watching. To dive deeper on how you can responsibly leverage AI in your business, sign up for one of our AI webinars at SOLVD.cloud. Feel free to book a discovery call with our expert consultants, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more insights. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment if you have any questions, and visit us at SOLVD.cloud today to learn more.
Thank you so much for watching. We can't wait to help you automate your business. Please like, comment, or subscribe for more.